Hi, my name is Richard Nance, and I'd like to present to you a 2019 MACK ANTHEM day cab. This is a big bird approved truck, 404,000 miles, 185 wheelbase, MP8, M-drive transmission. This truck has been fully serviced to include oil change, filter change, cabin air filter if there was one on it, fuel filters, the DPF's been removed, cleaned, that service has been inspected and working as designed, and it's been reinstalled. This is a North Carolina clean, rust-free truck from a local fleet. This has collision mitigation. Make a great addition to the fleet. Call Richard Nance, 336-663-2891. Thank you.